friends. Today we're doing a quick and easy meal, and that's exactly what it is. Quick and easy. Our host is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, and Deborah Quabassa's Home Living. Please check out their videos, and please check out the playlist. And remember, it's free to subscribe, and if you want more quick, easy recipes every Sunday, please subscribe. Okay, I started by toasting some bread, and I added some relish on the bread, and I added a new item that I hadn't got at the grocery store. It's called cutting board turkey, and it's just like sliced turkey. It is so good, and I'm going to even try it in salad, chopped up in salads. It's just like you made your own turkey. Next, I added a slice of provolone cheese, but you can add the cheese of your choice. Cheddar would also be very, very good on this sandwich. Nothing better in the summertime than a fresh sliced tomato. And this is one straight out of the garden. It's so good and so fresh, nothing better on a sandwich. For lunch, I cut my sandwich diagonal, tried to be a little fancy, and I added a sweet pickle that I had raised and canned in the garden. Here's my sweet pickles. I also, when I have onions that just need something done with when I'm canning my pickles, the white stuff is onions. I pickle onions. And I also added a couple to my sandwich. It elevates your sandwich so well and has such a good taste, the pickled onions. So if you're doing dill pickles and you have onions that needs used up or extra onions, add them to the jar. They're so good.